Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I have the cheapest 32-inch TV that I could find in Kenya. This is the itel S series digital TV. The model number is S322. This TV has iCast built in, and with iCast you can cast your smartphone screen onto the TV, although this is not a smart TV. You don't need Wi-Fi or data for iCast to work. As you can see over here, screen projection without network, data and cable. Let's start with the unboxing, but before that, the price. I bought this TV for 12,799 Kenya shillings on Kilimall. This is around 110 US dollars. And this was cheaper than the other models because the others actually ranged from 14,000 going upwards. So the top is open because I had to verify that the screen was not broken when I went to pick it up. First of all, we have the stands over here. We have the Kilimall invoice. We have the quick start guide, which is the manual. We have the warranty card and the RCA connector. We have the remote control, the detachable power cable, and of course the TV. So this is a frameless TV because you can barely see the edge between the screen and the frame over here. I forgot to mention that the remote control actually comes with batteries. If you've unboxed any TV recently, you notice that there is something missing in the accessories list of this TV. And the thing missing is the screws to mount these legs over here, because this TV does not employ screws, it just employs simple clipping mechanisms over here to fix onto the TV, and I will show you. These legs are completely identical, so you can fix them on any side. You don't have to match the right to the right side or the left to the left side. And to fix them to the TV, you just push them on to the base over here, like that, and that side is done. And the other side, it's done as well. The power cable with a 3-pin connector connects over here, and this TV is rated at 110 to 240 volts AC. You can see the USB port over here. So what about the other ports? A majority of the ports are on the right side. If you look at the TV from behind, at the bottom we have the AV in for connecting 2 DVD players and decoders. Then we have a satellite port, an antenna port for digital and analog TV, 2 HDMI ports, a headphone jack, and digital audio out through the coaxial port over here. This TV does not have any ports at the back or at the bottom of the TV, so this makes a very good candidate for mounting on the wall because all the ports are very easily accessible over here, and the one USB port available on the other side over here. The TV is plugged in. This is the standby light. So this TV employs what is known as a frameless design because the screen goes all the way over to the edge over here. This TV has a 1-year warranty. It came in this thin box over here, and as you can tell, even the TV is thin. But if you take into account the hump at the back, then I think this is the total thickness of this TV. The remote control is big, has a lot of functions. We're going to look at the iCast feature that has its own button over here later on in the video. So that's the only logo on the TV. Does not have any other buttons, but it has down-firing speakers. The right speaker is located over here, and the left speaker is located over here. We've not seen any button on this TV. That's because it's actually hidden on the standby light over here. You press it like that to select whatever you want, and once you stop at the place that you want, for example at volume plus, you press and hold it, and at the top over here you can see the volume increasing. I don't know if that makes sense to you. It's very hard to use this. Only tech-savvy people will actually be able to use this. To select menu, you just stop at menu, then press and hold it, then the menu comes up. So let's go to connect this TV to the antenna and see how it performs while scanning for channels. This is how the initial setup looks like. You just select your language, then your country. I'm going to select Kenya, then TV scan. I'm going to select terrestrial, then digital TV. So let's see how long this takes. It took like 6 minutes to fully scan the digital TV channels. So if you press the center button, the OK button, it's going to open the list of channels available. And I have quite a number of channels over here, as you can see. This TV also receives digital radio. This is an audio station. This is the full menu on the itel S322 TV. First of all, we have picture. Then sound. Then channel. Feature. Then setup. This is the on-screen display timer, the blue screen, and reset TV, which will reset to the factory settings. Now I can't see anything to disable this light from blinking while the TV is on. As you can see, it's on, then it gradually goes off, then it starts going on again. I don't like that feature. I wish there was something to disable that feature with. So what about satellite? Let's scan for satellite, and then we are going to do an auto search and start. Now this is a satellite channel. This is Dubai 1 HD. Now although this screen is not a full HD screen, I can still enjoy much better quality than its counterpart, which are like 576i. And you can see the quality of this image compared to the one on Dubai 1 over here. And this is clearly better image quality. The iCast feature on this itel TV enables you to cast whatever is on your smartphone directly onto the TV without needing any Wi-Fi or data. Now you can enter into iCast mode by these two methods. First of all, you can press the source button on the remote control, then you scroll all the way down to iCast, or you can press the red cast button on the remote control directly, like that. This is how you use the iCast feature on itel digital TVs. First of all, select the iCast feature on the TV itself. Secondly, go to your smartphone and select the cast feature over here. Enable wireless display. And over here you can see iCast. Select iCast. It's connecting. And there you can see whatever is on my phone is actually on the TV. And you can see I already have my Wi-Fi connected, but it doesn't need Wi-Fi to connect to the TV. It uses the cast feature. I can even open YouTube. And if I expand this video, it's going also to expand on the TV, just like that. I can also select the quality. I'm going to select 720. And the quality immediately improves. Now for me, the best casting feature is available on the VLC Media Player application over here. Now I can cast this video and exit to continue doing my things while the video continues. Well, does Netflix work? So there is your reason. Your plan does not allow watching on the external display, so I cannot watch Netflix. Although I'm using the free Netflix plan, so I don't know. Tell me in the comments below if you have actually paid for your Netflix, if it actually works on the TV. The remote has one annoying feature, and that is this sound. That tack sound is quite annoying to me. Now compare that to this other remote that I have. It's completely quiet, but this one makes sound on every single button that is pressed. Who is the target market for this TV, and why should you buy this TV? Well, this TV, first of all, is cheap, it's stylish, it has good picture and audio quality, it's a genuine itel TV with 12 months warranty, plus it has support at all car care service centers countrywide. So if you want a TV for your shop, your barber shop, your salon, or any other workplace, this is the best TV to get. Plus, not all the 32-inch TVs have the iCast feature, and as you have seen, this is a very important feature. If you don't have money to buy a smart TV, you can just use iCast to cast whatever media you have on your phone directly onto the TV. That's it. Post whatever comments or questions you want in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.